Let's turn on recurring giving so supporters can back this campaign automatically month after month. In the Campaign Builder, open Settings, then choose Recurring Donations. You'll find these options at the bottom of the Donation Options panel. Switch on Allow Recurring Donations. These options only appear on your donation forms right where people give. Now choose how it works. Simple lets donors turn any gift into a recurring one. Recurring only makes every gift repeat, and Advanced lets you define your own recurring options. Let's use Advanced. Set your suggested recurring amounts. These are the monthly options donors will see: $5, $10, $15, and $20, with $15 as the default. You can also allow custom recurring donations, so a supporter can enter their own monthly amount. Next, choose how often donors are billed. Month is a great default, but you can also offer daily, weekly, quarterly, or yearly. You can also set when a plan ends, leave it to never expire for ongoing support, or stop it after a set number of payments. Finally, let donors choose for themselves. Select Yes, and they can pick their own donation period with one selected by default. When everything looks right, save your campaign. That's it. Beacon Community Fund now accepts recurring donations every month. Find more Charitable tutorials at wpcharitable.com.